Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making ginger garlic paste. I am taking ginger half kg, garlic 300 gram. Peel ginger. Benefits of ginger: improves immunity, relieves nausea and upset stomach, may help for cancer, reduce pain, healthier skin, good for weight loss. Peel garlic. Garlic benefits: lower calories, boost immune system, lowers blood pressure, lower cholesterol, improves bone health, anti-cancer agent. Cut ginger into small pieces. Salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric 1 teaspoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon. Add little water, make fine paste. Without preservatives, we can make ginger garlic paste. We can store up to 6 months. Perfect consistency. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. See ya. Bye.